So that would be everything that I wanted to say to you. Okay. 108 Earths are in the Sun. Okay. So that is extra observation, but important is to notice that first time we had 360 in the Moon, then we have 360 here, and we have 360 here. Okay. First we have 1080, then 3960, then 1200. Okay, maybe there is no. I'm sorry, 432000. Okay, maybe there is no correlation between these two miles numbers. Okay, but who knows? Okay, however, here is important this number 360, and of course important is number 108. Okay. So it is interesting that Earth is surrounded by two 108s. Okay. Now it will be interesting to see is the distance between the Moon and the Sun is there 108. Of course, there is not such a number. Okay, there is not such a number. I don't know how many Earths are between the Sun and the Moon, but no one mentioned that. Okay, so it would be the next step. And in Sun we have 108 Earths. Okay, it is interesting, but why we don't have maybe 1.08 or 108 moons in the Earth? Okay, so there is no complete size connection here. Okay, we do not have so clear and 100% connection here, but we have some connection, some type of connection here. We can say that important points here are the number 360. Okay, that is important number, and the number 108, or I would say 108. We have 108 one time, 2, 3 and 4 times mentioned. Okay, so that number is important. Okay, if we add 1 and 8 we will get 9. Number 9 is of course really important, and maybe I will speak about that number in some other video. Okay, and the next important number is maybe it is 3960. Okay, we see 369. Okay, 369 is a line of numbers 3 and 6 and 9, and those numbers 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 etc. are important, are really important. Okay, and in mathematics you can do certain variations with that. Maybe I will show you that later. Okay, and number 100 and 1200 is I don't know is it really important, but however 12 number 12 is important. Okay, because we have 12 signs of the zodiac, we have 12 tribes of the Israel, we have 12 apostles etc. So maybe this 1200 number is speaking about number 12. Okay, so the next important number is of course 432. Okay, I will speak about that later. And here on the left side of this screen we have interesting calculation. So one on one when we not square, but when we put a 1 on 1 times 2 squared times 3 cubed, it gives us 108. Okay, so it is interesting. 1 times 2 times 3. Okay, so it is interesting how mathematics is actually interesting science after all. Okay, so we have 1 2 3 and we have 1 2 3. Okay, and we have 1 1 2 2 3 3, and it gives us this number for fifth time on this screen. We see the number 108 or 108. Okay, so those numbers 108 are important. It seems that they are important. Okay, and they are important, okay, and they are interesting only if astronomy is correct about these measurements and about these distances. Okay, so it is everything that I wanted to tell you. Okay, so we have some connections here. We do not see the 100% proper patterns. Okay, we see 99.99% etc. It is always 99 or 97, 98. Okay, it is never 100%, but it seems that there is some hidden connection. Okay, it is not easy to see that connection. It is not easy to see those patterns, those numbers, but there is some connection. Okay, it is interesting that we can see that some hidden meaning clearly. We see it in a 99% certainty way, but however it is interesting, and maybe after research and findings comes out, we will see more interesting findings about this number 108, and maybe we will get the full picture in what type of reality actually we live in. Okay, so it is everything that I wanted to say to you. Thank you for watching this video. This was the part 2 of this discussion about number 108. Okay, so thank you for watching.